Have you ever wondered that you just finished your first Roblox game on Roblox Studio Lite, but now you don't know how to publish in on Roblox? But what if I tell you it is never possible to publish your game on Roblox Studio Lite? For now, let's see bro how to publish your game using just only your primary device. Though if I tell you there are some options in Roblox Studio Lite to publish your game.
Hey bro, you just told there are no options to publish game using Roblox Studio Lite. Then what happened?
Hey bro, you don't know anything. Please shut your mouth up. I will tell in the video. Why did I say that it is never possible to publish your game from Roblox Studio Lite? Okay, so let's now see what our steps are. So at first you just have to open the Roblox Studio Lite in your device, primary device or secondary device, whatever device you are using in your device. After that you just have to open file option in the Roblox Studio Lite, which is located in the top bar of the menu. Then after clicking on file, open a saved game. My saved game's name is I am man. Okay, bro, don't make fun of my game's name. Okay, bro, don't make fun. Then after that, when your game loads on your primary device, then you have to find and tick and click on the archivable option in the left menu. Right menu. Then after that, you just have to click on the file option, then save your game and click on the save option. And after clicking on the save option, you just have to toggle right, which means toggle on the publish option. Everyone can play together. You just have to toggle it on and you just name your game anything, and description, you just select any type of description in your game. After that, just click on the save option and let your game save. Okay, so now my game auto saved and it will open a pop-up bar like this, where in the API key section you have to fill your API key. Now the question arises, where do you get our API key? Merry Christmas, jingle a bell, jingle all the way.
Here's your API key, child. Take it and use it for good.
Hey, old man, I think you are becoming forgetful. It's midsummer. How can someone say jingle bell? Okay bro, whatever, I got my API keys. To get your API keys, you just have to leave the studios now. And after leaving the Roblox Studio Lite, you will see a typical Roblox interface, and after here, you just have to click on the three lines, and there you will find a option called create. You just have to click on the create option, and after clicking on the create option, Roblox Studio will open, the real one, not the Roblox Studio Lite one. And here, you just have to click on the three lines located on the upper side of the Roblox Studio, and here you will see a option called all tools. You just have to click on the all tools option, and here you will see a option called API keys. You just have to click on that option. After clicking on that option, you just have to create API key, create a new API key. You don't have a API key. After clicking on create new API key, you just have to name your API key, whatever you can name. I am naming I am man, I am, whatever bro. After that, you just have to select a description. It's an optional option. Optional option. You can or you cannot, whatever you want. After that, click on the access permission and search for universe. Here search for universe and click on the universe places option in the below. After clicking on there, you will see a drop down menu will appear. Here just you have to click on the drop down menu and select the right option. And after that, in the below you will see a security tab, and here you can select the duration of your API key. In default, it will stay an unlimited duration. Then after selecting your duration, click on save and generate key. After that, a scrolling menu will appear. Just click on the tick and just generate your key, API key. That means your API key has been generated. Copy the API key to your clipboard and just paste the API key there in the Roblox Studio Lite. Okay, in here I have pasted my API key and I clicked on the publish button, and and clicking on the publish button, it will load for some times and you just have to let it load. Here after loading, it will open up a menu like this, and here you can see other players also uploaded their games, and our game you can see it in the top of the menu. Okay, now I know you will ask me that question that our game has been uploaded, then why did I told that our game is never possible to upload in on Roblox using the Roblox Studio Lite? Cause I think the game only has been uploaded in the Roblox Studio Lite server, not in the real Roblox server. And yes, to make your game publicly play on any type of player in Roblox, it requires to available on the Roblox's real server, not in the Roblox Studio Lite's private server. By the way, I don't know much thing about this. What's your opinion on this? Let me know in the comment section. So this is it for today's video, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.